Hello everybody, it's me. Oop, wrong intro. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hey, what's up you guys? Yes! Hi, it's me. I'm kind of bad at impressions. So Shane Dawson is doing a very controversial docuseries right now, and everyone is losing their minds about it. Which, yes, big mood, I agree, she's made some points. And this year has been Shane Dawson's year. Like, everyone is literally sucking his dick. Oop.
Everyone loves him right now.
He's been on YouTube for such a long time that he's a very familiar face, but at the same time he's not. You know, every topic that he decides to make a video on, it's always so interesting that you just want to keep watching more and you just want to keep sipping that good old... I'm not gonna finish that sentence. But anyways, I don't want to make like a Shane Dawson like fangirling video, but I just wanted to say we stan a controversial queen who's always relevant.
Oh, did my big head break it?
Is he more relevant than SpongeBob though? Let me know in the comments. Leave your comments down below. I love your faces. So one thing that people talk about but also don't talk about enough is his fashion. He's worn the same clothes in so many videos that they've literally become part of his brand. So today I'm gonna recreate some of his most iconic outfits. I'm kind of nervous.
I'm nervous.
So I scrolled through his Instagram and watched a bunch of videos to see which outfits are the most relevant and the most iconic. And today, depending on how things go, I'm gonna do 3 or 4 outfits, which I will show you in a little bit. But I believe Shane Dawson likes to shop at Walmart for his clothes.
I think.
Or he used to shop at Walmart when he was like a thicker boy, but now he's like a skinny thick, so I feel like he's more of a Target stan now. But we don't have a Target in Canada. Oh my god, my brain cells. Maybe I'm not a Shane Dawson stan. Maybe I'm just a fake fan. Please don't come for me, Shane Dawson fans. What are they called? Pigs? Piglets? I don't know if they have a name. Anyways, I'm going to Walmart to see if I can find some replicas of Shane Dawson's clothes.
Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. Baby, I tried.
Hello. So my friend Avon's gonna come pick me up and we're gonna go on a little trip to Walmart. I would drive myself if I could, but ya boy can't drive. Well, it's not that I can't drive, I just don't have a car. I do have the capacity to be a functioning adult, but I choose not to. Wow. Big mood. Hello. So we're at Walmart. Hi, sister.
Hi, miss.
Is it recording?
It is.
Hello, so we're at Walmart. I feel like this place is where Shane shops the most. I can't remember if he used to shop there or if he still shops there, but anyways, we're gonna try and find some clothes here.
Are you shopping for Shane clothing?
Let's grab a basket. All right, so we're looking for some red shorts. So those could be okay. These ones.
Are you different?
I think they're the same. No, they're different. Let's see. We're a little bit confused. Okay, so we're gonna look for clothing that has Coke on it because I feel like that's his brand.
Like
Wait a second. No, you're right.
Like there's nothing.
No.
Oh, okay, wig. We were like. Look,
Oh,
it's Rylan.
hi Rylan.
I feel like, wait, doesn't yours look like this one? I forget what color his is.
I also forget.
I
I remember.
love that.
Do you remember that episode when he borrowed Jeffree Star's robe?
Yeah, that was everything.
Okay, we found this shirt, which is similar to his conspiracy theory shirt. A little bit different,
I
but
love that.
we might
Some tribal paint on
we
it.
might DIY it. We'll keep that as a plan B. Oh, something like this. His was like
$9? Oh wait, $15.
$9.
Okay, what's the real price? But it's so nice.
Ooh, even I would.
want one.
Ooh.
I literally want
Shall we match?
to. We might have
Honestly,
to.
okay, let me. Okay, so I found this gray sweater, or that Shane usually wears. I feel like he usually wears it when he's at home, just chilling. So I'm gonna go with this one.
Oh my god, we love that focus. Hi sisters, come
Hello.
through for us. Do you want a mirror? We can find a mirror.
I'll put it in my basket for now. Okay, so we were gonna give up on finding a Coke shirt at Walmart, but look what happened.
I'm literally shaking right now. I just like walked past and I saw a red shirt and I was like, oh my god, I'm just gonna look at it. And then it literally was this and I shrieked.
I actually also shrieked. I wish we got this is a reenactment.
It's just small, but you're skinny.
What's this small?
Mariah's shaking.
I feel like with Walmart sizes, they're usually a bit
They're
bigger.
like a bit bigger.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay, I might have to buy this before we
Do
go.
you need red shorts?
Red yes.
Yep.
Yes.
How did we find one?
I can't believe you're a clairvoyant.
I'm shaking.
Hi, would you like a bag?
Yes, please. I'm gonna have negative $5 after this. It's a lot.
We're leaking the bank info.
Oh no. Send money.
Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you, you too.
Hi.
Do you think thinks we're making a documentary?
I think she thinks we're making a
I'm a psychopath.
and I'm a psychopath.
We parked this way.
It's so
Whoopee. So we found the men's section, but it's all Halloween.
Wow.
Did men's just turn into Halloween clothes? I see some men's pants.
Yeah, we're like, what else do we need?
Oh, a red short.
Oh, okay. Oh, high shorts.
Oh, there we go. Actually,
Tiny. They'd be really short. Not short, but like tight.
just tight. Oh,
Like those are kind of small.
I'm scared.
They'd be like a high-waisted moment for you.
Skinny legend. Do you think if I suck in enough?
Yeah, you might just have to like really squeeze in for them. But $4.99?
Yeah, and these are like the perfect color
I
too.
know, it's like literally perfect.
Don't even think I can get one leg.
Yeah, I'm scared. I don't know if that's gonna fit.
And they're Adidas as well.
Oh my god, we love a brand name.
Yeah. Maybe this one?
Yeah, those ones would
This
work.
one's not bad. Ooh, they went up in price,
They
but
did. We love that.
we love that.
Help them.
Okay, let's hang on to these for now. Oh my god. Santa baby. Me.
That's really us looking for each other. That's Hannah Montana. They stole that from her.
Oh, this is where all her old outfits went. Can I just have some men's normal clothing? This is kind of conspiracy theory-ish. Do you know how to DIY tribal? Oh,
Taco Bell shirt.
why does that like Shane's brand?
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
He did a commercial with Taco Bell. Maybe we should hang on. No, maybe. Shall I buy this pig? This is Shane. And what did you say?
This is Ryland.
Uh-huh.
And then this is literally Morgan. Like, look at that face and tell me that's not Morgan's fucking eye. That's really sad. He's like in a bag.
I feel like it's also like, I feel weird vibes. I kind of want to buy, but I'm scared. I feel like
Yeah,
it's possessed.
I know. I don't like buying.
Do you know that episode of Black Mirror
Yeah.
where you get strapped to them?
And it's like holding it up against the wall.
Monkey loves you.
Monkey loves you. And it's like, you know what you did. Oh my god. I'm sorry, you're not the monkey.
Oh my god. It's a Pikachu.
That's really me walking into work.
Aw,
Cute.
after 3 hours of sleep. Are there any accessories that Shane has? Should I get a dog?
You might need to.
Wait, which one? This one or this one?
Oh, I'm this one. And then a little bit of that.
The little bit of this one. Me when my crush comes along.
That's really Ariana Grande in the Tears Up to Cry video. And she has like her faces and she puts them up.
That one looks like she has tea.
She has secrets. Let them out, sweetie.
When you have tea.
Literally asking for help.
Which one?
That one.
That
Look
one?
at his eyes. Are you joking?
Me when I forgot to study. Oh my god, books.
Food for friends?
What's a literate? Oh my god, these are nice.
Who's this?
Me when I love my dog so much that I print it out
Literally me.
and sell it. Oh, when the swipers come. Hello everybody.
This looks like a home sweet home sign. Why does it just have the alphabet? Like I'm confused.
It's for intellectuals.
It really is. It's for people who just want to be reminded of the alphabet.
Reminded.
Oh my gosh, who recycles magazines? Like, do we want to know what's like on the news?
Right.
Like, I'm confused. Do we want to be like up to date?
Why would you buy? We found Benjamin.
This is literally Benjamin, but she like is a woman.
Yeah, she's
So
a woman.
She's kind of snapping a little bit, like her eyes. I'm just trying to get like her eyes to the fold of it.
Look at those lashes.
Lily lashes. Go like, my wig is
Also,
long.
her wig is.
It's like secured.
Why does it smell like shampoo? Ew.
Someone washed her, which is a nice thought.
Someone washed her.
But like, go off, sis.
We tried to order a pinkity drinkity, but they didn't know what it was. Ooh.
Don't talk to me till I've had my pinkity drinkity.
Maybe sister snapped. So I thought a good way to be Shane Dawson was to get some Starbucks. This is all YouTubers do. They just get Starbucks and make videos. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna create our own DIY Shane Dawson shirt. So we went and printed out his graphic. It's all pixelated, but that's okay. Quality isn't what my channel is about. I bought this black shirt from Walmart, only $5. Use my code. And then we're just gonna iron this thing on. Let's see. Okay, wait, let me read the instructions. Oh, we have to cut it first. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yes, we do. This one's...
Let's cut her. Okay, so it says that we're supposed to cut it as close as possible to the black. Oh no, maybe we should have left a bit of room. Okay, all done. Preheat iron to highest cotton setting. Do not use steam. Oh my god. What's the cotton setting?
Dude, don't ask me.
Dude, don't ask me.
Iron.
Do you ever iron your clothes?
Never.
Never. Same. Peel liner from the back of paper printed transfer. Did we do that already? Wait, I'm confused. So an hour later, I finally peeled this. Do you remember that one night we were watching Sass ASMR and it was so loud?
I put it on like 100%.
She was eating chips and it sounded like an earthquake. It was so loud. All right. Oh, this is really small, but that's okay. I think the actual Shane Dawson shirt, it's like this big, but we'll take it. I'm nervous. Oh no. Would you mind holding an edge down, please? Thank you. Is this what moms do? Oh my god. This is dangerous. Ooh. This is what we have to do when you can't ship to Canada.
With all of the sisters eating on Caitlin. Her new possession.
Ooh, not bad for a girl with no talent. Well, it's probably the laziest outfit because I'm literally just wearing merch, but
You guys, look.
Walmart outsold Target. She outsold Amazon. Hey, what's up you guys? Yes. I feel like this one looks the most accurate. Should I wear these shoes? Oh no, wait, he was wearing like Nike shoes. I'm gonna wear these.
Oh,
Sorry, sisters, give me a second. So this is Shane's most iconic outfit. Wears this outfit in like 90% of his videos.
Do you know the origin of that shirt?
The origin? So this is his merch. Tana starts crying and he's like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did you know pigs have like little high heels as feet?
I had no idea.
Oh my god, sickening.
That is kind of chic.
When your high heels are your feet. Let's grab a quick little drink. He doesn't drink Coke, but this is all we have. Maybe I'll just Photoshop the diet part. Me after watching the Jake Paul series. What else has he done? I'm trying to think. Does he go outside? Oh wait, he doesn't go outside. That's not his brand. We can play some video games. I think he hates video games when you pull out your receipts.
How much did you spend for this video?
$40. Hey guys, what's up? Yes! Alright, this is my Shane Dawson Coke outfit. Oh, jeez. We couldn't find a Diet one. Diet is like his brand. Oh my god, triggering. He's Diet Coke and Diet Root Beer, but we can only find like a Coca-Cola shirt. And then I'm wearing his like black pants that he always wears. Hey guys, what's up? Yes. So I have this conspiracy theory to tell you guys about. It's called the Flat Earth. I can't do it. I can't do it. Anyways, so yeah.
Oh, do you believe in love after love?
Okay, so I feel like this one's the most accurate out of all of them, but oh my god. Not only do I look like Shane, I also feel like Shane. Oh wait, I should just... Was that a good impression? I'm really bad at impressions. Me editing my conspiracy theory videos. So he's always sitting on his couch in this kind of getup. So every time he's in his editing phase, his editing hole, he's always wearing his gray shirt that has a bunch of holes in it. I'm probably not gonna make holes in this shirt because I like this shirt. He's always wearing this big giant gray sweater, his iconic black and red gym shorts. So I got these at a thrift store and they're kind of gross because these are from the kids section. So some little boy has been wearing this And I watched it, but it still feels kind of gross. Let's see. What's on Twitter? What can we talk about? What T can we spell? Oh, I was trying to do an impression too. So I was trying to, can you say something funny and then I'll laugh?
What do you mean meat, not fat arms?
Was that good? Oh, that hurts my face. How does he do that? I've never done anything like this before. This is one of the most controversial videos I've ever done. I feel like he's gonna be insulted.
Oh! Yes! Cash coming lungs, bitches on my humps, men's on my lumps.
Yellow.
So I just gotta say, you look nothing like Shane Dawson.
This is the one where he was on vacation. So he was wearing his black gym shorts and he tucked in his Coke shirt. He's wearing sunglasses. What do I look like? Do I look like...
You just look nothing like him at all.
Hey guys. Oh, he was holding his Starbucks drink.
The outfit is definitely on point though.
The outfit? I can't see anything because I need glasses. Is this what it feels like to be hungover? I feel like so disoriented right now. I also don't have pockets, so I can't put... There we go.
That's why you need to have a Gucci backpack. Or, sorry, Louis Vuitton backpack like Shane.
Not yet. This is what I can afford. Polo. Polo slides. Shall we film something in here? Oh! But yeah, I don't look like Shane at all. I mean, one of the outfits had to be bad. I guess it's this one. Oh my god.
That's the Tyler Oakley book.
Me promoting my friends. Oh my god, what is going on here?
I feel like Shane would be really into Harry Potter.
No, that's Garrett. Shane hates Harry Potter.
Oh, really?
Every time Garrett's like, Hufflepuff, Shane's like, shut the... Me walking down my mansion. Deodorant? That's not on brand. Anyways. I'm back from whatever that was. I hope he's not insulted if he watches this. Yeah, what'd you guys think? How did I do? Wearing all of these clothes, I could definitely feel that Shane is a very comfy boy. I felt like I was lounging around in my PJs the whole entire day, which I didn't mind. We love that for her. Shane is a smart queen. We love an intellectual here. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know in the comments who is the biggest mood from Shane's squad. I feel like for me personally, Morgan is my spirit animal and then my brain cells are Garrett. Feel free to subscribe if you want and make sure to turn on notifications for this terrible, terrible, terrible content. All right, have a good rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.